Learn English to Gujarati academic verbs, contextualize to falsify in
Gujarati.
Welcome, brave word nerd. Hey, you're about to learn some seriously intelligent words without sounding like a sleepy textbook. And yes, we will make big brain vocabulary oddly fun. Today you will meet 8 powerful English verbs and their Gujarati partners. Contextualize is.
સંદર્ભિત કરવું.
Systematize is.
વ્યવસ્થિત બનાવવું.
Categorize is.
વર્ગીકૃત કરવું.
To abstract is.
અમૂર્ત કરવું.
Operationalize is.
કાર્યરૂપ આપવું.
Validate is.
માન્ય કરવું.
Verify is.
ચકાસવું.
And falsify is.
ખોટું સાબિત કરવું.
If these words feel huge now, relax. By the end, they will feel like your slightly dramatic but useful friends. The professor, the banana, and context. Let's begin with a word that saves people from misunderstanding quotes on the internet. A true hero's job. To contextualize means to place something in context. In Gujarati, that is.
સંદર્ભિત કરવું.
Imagine a professor holding up a mysterious banana and saying, "This banana is the key to history." Everyone panics. Then she explains the time, place, and reason. She chose the banana as an example. She had to.
સંદર્ભિત કરવું.
The statement. Say it with me.
સંદર્ભિત કરવું.
Mini dialogue. A. I do not understand this quote. B. Try to.
સંદર્ભિત કરવું.
It with the historical background. Memory trick. A lonely puzzle piece makes no sense until you put it back into the full picture. That is.
સંદર્ભિત કરવું.
Chaos enters the office. Now let's enter a workplace where papers, socks, and possibly a sandwich are all in the wrong place. It is a disaster. To systematize means to make something orderly as a system. In Gujarati, that is.
વ્યવસ્થિત બનાવવું.
Picture an office desk so messy that even the stapler looks stressed. Then someone says, "We need to."
વ્યવસ્થિત બનાવવું.
This process. Suddenly folders appear, labels line up, and the stapler can finally relax. Say it slowly.
વ્યવસ્થિત બનાવવું.
Example. We need to systematize the notes before the meeting. In Gujarati, the key verb is.
વ્યવસ્થિત બનાવવું.
Funny image. Even the socks hold a meeting and vote to.
વ્યવસ્થિત બનાવવું.
The drawer. Boxes, labels, and mild obsession. Some people sort photos by year. Some sort spices by color. Some sort snacks by emotional importance. Welcome to categorize. To categorize means to put things into groups or classes. In Gujarati, that is.
વર્ગીકૃત કરવું.
Imagine a librarian facing a mountain of books. She whispers.
વર્ગીકૃત કરવું.
And every book jumps into the correct section like disciplined little acrobats. Say it.
વર્ગીકૃત કરવું.
Example. Scientists categorize animals into groups. The Gujarati action is.
વર્ગીકૃત કરવું.
Humor break. Even socks want to be.
વર્ગીકૃત કરવું.
By personality. Serious, sleepy, and dramatic. From too much detail to one big idea. This next word is what you do when your notes become a jungle and you need one clean path. To abstract means to pull out the essential idea from many details. In Gujarati, that is.
અમૂર્ત કરવું.
Imagine a student drowning in 57 sticky notes, 12 diagrams, and one very judgmental coffee cup. Then the student breathes deeply and chooses to.
અમૂર્ત કરવું.
The core concept. Say it.
અમૂર્ત કરવું.
Example. In philosophy, people often try to abstract general principles. The Gujarati verb is.
અમૂર્ત કરવું.
Think of reducing a complicated sauce until only the essence remains. Deliciously intellectual. That is.
અમૂર્ત કરવું.
Ideas need shoes. A brilliant idea that never leaves the whiteboard is basically a couch potato. Time to make it work. To operationalize means to turn an idea or plan into practical action. In Gujarati, that is.
કાર્યરૂપ આપવું.
Picture a plan wearing running shoes and saying, "Coach, put me in." That is the spirit of.
કાર્યરૂપ આપવું.
Say it aloud.
કાર્યરૂપ આપવું.
Mini dialogue. A. This idea is good, but what next? B. Now we must.
કાર્યરૂપ આપવું.
It. Memory image. You give wheels to an idea. That is.
કાર્યરૂપ આપવું.
Approved by the giant green stamp. Now we meet a word that sounds official, responsible, and just a little bit bossy. To validate means to confirm that something is acceptable, sound, or officially valid. In Gujarati, that is.
માન્ય કરવું.
Imagine a giant green stamp falling from the sky and landing on your form. Approved. That is.
માન્ય કરવું.
Say it.
માન્ય કરવું.
Example. Experts validate the results carefully. In Gujarati, they.
માન્ય કરવું.
The results. Funny note. Even a sandwich wants its ingredients.
માન્ય કરવું.
Before lunch. Quality control matters. Detective mode. Put on your imaginary glasses and narrow your eyes dramatically. We are now verifying. To verify means to check or confirm that something is correct. In Gujarati, that is.
ચકાસવું.
A detective looks at a document, tilts the head, and says, We must.
ચકાસવું.
This. Say it clearly.
ચકાસવું.
Example. Please verify the document before sending it. The key Gujarati verb is.
ચકાસવું.
Difference tip.
માન્ય કરવું.
Feels more final, like official approval.
ચકાસવું.
Is the act of checking carefully. Courtroom drama time. And now, the most dramatic word of the set enters with thunder, evidence, and possibly a suspicious mustache. To falsify means to prove something false, or in some contexts to make something false. Here we learn it as prove false. In Gujarati, that is.
ખોટું સાબિત કરવું.
Imagine a lawyer lifting one tiny receipt and suddenly the entire claim collapses. The evidence can.
ખોટું સાબિત કરવું.
The statement. Say it with drama.
ખોટું સાબિત કરવું.
Example. Evidence can falsify the claim. In Gujarati, the evidence can.
ખોટું સાબિત કરવું.
The claim. Comedy image. A detective uses a banana in court to.
ખોટું સાબિત કરવું.
A fake alibi. Nobody understands the banana, but somehow the case is solved. Quick fire review. You have met the whole gang. Now let's run through them before they escape into a research paper. Contextualize equals.
સંદર્ભિત કરવું.
Systematize equals.
વ્યવસ્થિત બનાવવું.
Categorize equals.
વર્ગીકૃત કરવું.
To abstract equals.
અમૂર્ત કરવું.
Operationalize equals.
કાર્યરૂપ આપવું.
Validate equals.
માન્ય કરવું.
Verify equals.
ચકાસવું.
Falsify equals.
ખોટું સાબિત કરવું.
Mini quiz for your magnificent brain. No stress. If you miss one, your brain is not broken. It is just doing warm-up stretches. Question 1. What is the Gujarati verb for contextualize? Answer.
સંદર્ભિત કરવું.
Question 2. What is the Gujarati verb for systematize? Answer.
વ્યવસ્થિત બનાવવું.
Question 3. What is the Gujarati verb for categorize? Answer.
વર્ગીકૃત કરવું.
Question 4. What is the Gujarati verb for to abstract? Answer.
અમૂર્ત કરવું.
Question 5. What is the Gujarati phrase for operationalize? Answer.
કાર્યરૂપ આપવું.
Question 6. What is the Gujarati verb for validate? Answer.
માન્ય કરવું.
Question 7. What is the Gujarati verb for verify? Answer.
ચકાસવું.
Question 8. What is the Gujarati phrase for falsify? Answer.
ખોટું સાબિત કરવું.
Your final challenge. Let's finish strong. You are now the star of a tiny academic action movie. Say this story with me in your mind. First, you.
સંદર્ભિત કરવું.
A quote. Then you.
વ્યવસ્થિત બનાવવું.
Your notes. Next, you.
વર્ગીકૃત કરવું.
The data. After that, you.
અમૂર્ત કરવું.
The main principle. Then you.
કાર્યરૂપ આપવું.
The plan. You.
ચકાસવું.
The details.
માન્ય કરવું.
The results, and if the evidence disagrees, you.
ખોટું સાબિત કરવું.
The weak claim. Look at you. Very scholarly. Mildly dangerous to bad arguments. Friendly goodbye. You did great today. Seriously, these are not baby words, and you handled them like a champion. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing these English and Gujarati academic verbs out loud.
સંદર્ભિત કરવું. વ્યવસ્થિત બનાવવું. વર્ગીકૃત કરવું. અમૂર્ત કરવું. કાર્યરૂપ આપવું. માન્ય કરવું. ચકાસવું.
And.
ખોટું સાબિત કરવું.
Practice a little, laugh a little, and come back soon for more.
ગુજરાતી